fix if drag and drop not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are facing such issue, then to fix the first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command windows execute the command msdt.exe id device diagnostic. Simply copy it and paste it in run command box and press OK. It will open troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices troubleshooters. Click on next. Also apply repairs automatically. Make the check against this option, and detecting problems. Windows will now detect your issues and fix them accordingly. After that, restart your PC. The next workaround to fix this issue is update mouse driver. Go to device manager, launch device manager in your system, and here go to mic and other pointing devices. Right click on your mouse driver and choose update driver. Further, you can uninstall and reinstall my mouse driver in Windows 10 and Windows 11 if this method does not work. The next method to fix drag and drop not working in Windows 11 and 10, go to task manager, right click on a start button and choose task manager, and here restart Windows Explorer process. Click on select Windows Explorer and choose restart task. Thereafter, go to next solution, launch Windows 7 and update install Windows latest update. Sometime outdated OS may be a cause of Windows update drag and drop not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So must install Windows latest update in your